Hey everyone, welcome to another video series from Sintron, and in this video we would like to share how to pair the TV connector with Hansaton hearing aids for the wireless transmission of signal. So let's get started. TV connector allows you to connect your hearing aid to the TV and other communication device and provides the wearer to experience the Dolby sound quality in the hearing aids. TV connector uses a Airstream technology, so it transfers the audio input wirelessly into any Hansaton wireless hearing aids. It sends the audio signal within a 15-meter radius wirelessly to the hearing aids. It can also be paired automatically to the hearing aids within a range of 1 meter. In this TV connector, we can adjust the volume and we have a power button. Then we have a link button to pair the device to the hearing aids. Then we have a socket for the TV output and for the power. We have a charger to power the device. Here we have two different cables. One is 3.5 mm cable and the other one is direct audio input, otherwise called as toss link, which is preferable to use. The one end is for the input of the TV connector and the other end for the output of the TV. If any other device been already used, then you can use a splitter for parallel access. 3.5 mm cable can also be used as an alternative for toss link. Before setting up the device, make sure the TV connector is included in the fitting for AC pairing. First step is to power the device. The intermittent green light followed by the white light indicates the device is in standby mode. Then plug the TV output to the TV connector. Make sure you have sufficiently charged your hearing aids and turn it on. Press the link button to pair the TV connector to the hearing aids. The solid green color indicates the hearing aid got connected successfully. When your TV is on and when you are playing the audio through the TV, you will be hearing a TV input directly into the hearing aids. You can switch the TV connector program to automatic program either through the app, which has a dedicated slider to balance your TV as well as surroundings, or traditionally through the rocker switch. If you use a 3.5 mm cable, since it is an analog cable, the TV will only stream into the hearing aid but not into the speaker of the TV. If you use a digital audio output cable or toss link, since it is a digital cable, it not only just streams into the hearing aid but also streams through the speaker simultaneously.